Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing about static notification translation. So, what is translation? It is translating your existing notification into something which is in another language. Let me show you here. And this notification is in English and this is in French. Let me open this one. It's not yet sent because this is demo instance. This is the preview. So this user is having French language in its user account, so the same is going to him. Okay, so that's what you can configure, but how to configure, let us discuss in a very systematic manner. So for that I have created one proper article. Okay, this is first of all static. It means you have to configure notification first, and based on that notification only things will go outside. In the dynamic one, it will automatically judge and send the notification. You did not to create each notification every time. You just need to create in one language, that is English, and it will send. So in this video we are restricted to the static one, but I am working on dynamic one as well, and I'll share it with you as soon as possible. First of all, you need to install these two plugins. Okay, the very first one is centralization and then notification translation. As soon as you install these plugins, you can see the languages here, all these types of languages which are available. Let me show you the languages. So these are the languages which auto populated once we activated the plugin. So around 25 languages are there. So after first step, we have to go to second step, that is configuring a new property. So this is the name of the property which you have to enable true. And then we have to configure the notification, that is configure translated notifications, like this. Once this plugin is installed, you can see in the notification a separate translation tab. So you see here translated notification. So this tab or related list will come only after you install the plugin. Okay, in every notification, you see this is my basic notification. I have configured it properly, and this is my content in English. In the same way, at the bottom you see translated notification, and this is I have configured in French and German. Okay, so how to configure? You just need to click on new. So first of all, you have to provide the language here. You click on it and you will see all those languages which were there in the language table. So whatever you want, you can select here, then provide the necessary subject and your message. So as you see here, I have created two translated notification, one in French, second in German. As soon as the notification trigger, it will check the recipient's recipient's user record. If it has a separate language apart from English, then the notification will be sent accordingly. Okay, if it is in French, then it will send in French. If it is German, it will send in German. If it is English, we all know how it will go. So now let's trigger one notification. So this notification will be sent whenever the record is inserted or updated, when it has this short description. And who will receive it? System administrator and Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so now let's go to the incident. Open the incident. Let me open this incident here. Let me change the short description. Now save it. I hope the notification should trigger now. Let me go to my logs. This is incident 9009. Yes, email triggered. Let me open the email. So come at the bottom, you see a separate tab, translated email content. For admin, it's sent in English, and for Abraham Lincoln, it is in DE. That is German, right? So let me go to this user. Let's open Abraham Lincoln. Let's see what is his language. So you see here language is German. That's why it triggered in German. So in this way, you can configure static translated notifications. Very simple concept. I am coming back with dynamic one, where you will see some more magic. Till then, subscribe to the channel. Let us know your doubts and thoughts. Thank you so much. Bye bye.